Hey guys, this is Mark Philbert with eXp Realty. We are in West Hillhurts in front of a beautiful property at 505 18th Street Northwest. We're just about 5 minutes walking distance to the hotspots of Kensington. So what we've got here is about 2,350 square feet of living space, beautiful pops of color throughout, and some really high-end finishing. I hope you guys enjoy the tour. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. For more information, you can visit the website at agentcalgary.com, and please remember to follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much. You have a great day.